Hello, my name is Louro, and I'm working on Multimodal Interactive Paint version 3.0. For Sprint 2, our goal was to create a painting application with some sample buttons and to have it accept some painting input via a mouse or a touchscreen device. It may be hard to see, but I'm currently using my Microsoft Surface Pro 3. So some of the painting drawings I'll do with my finger for the touch, and some I'll do with the mouse. I'll let you know which is which in case you can't tell the difference. So first I would like to show you the main window that we created for the paint application. Like I said, we just wanted to get a simple paint application created that accepts a touchscreen display so we can familiarize ourselves with Qt and familiarize ourselves with some of the painting applications so that in later sprints we can modulize the code and add extra features depending on the software development kits and the hardware that we're using at the time, in addition to making it multimodal and later on even 3D. So for now we have the simple paint application. We can extend it to full screen. As you notice, we'll have a file option that lets you open a new file, save a file, or close. We have the edit, sorry, that lets you redo or undo something that you've created and then undone. If you want to reinstate that image, you can. Last but not least, we have the brushes. Like I said, this is where we're going to expand more in later sprints to create different brushes that accept different versions of input and to improve the current brush system to make it more user-friendly and improve the UI. At the present moment, please don't focus too much on eraser and fill, as those are just space holders because we couldn't finish the code in this sprint. However, we do have the pen color working, where you could choose a pen color. You have a default, you can extend it, or you could change the color. We also have the pen width, where you can change the width of the pen brush that you're using to create the images. So I'll give you an example. Drawing some ellipses right now. I'll draw one on my hand. As you can see, it moves with my finger. I can also touch and change from a pen that does ellipse to one that does a rectangle, and then create rectangles. Additionally, I could go back, change the pen width, then go back. Oh, didn't mean to click that. Go back and change the pen color. Draw it with the mouse this time. That with my finger again, and that with the mouse again. Change back to ellipse, and then with my finger. So as you can see, we could design some standard 2D images for now. We did the ellipse and rectangle shapes as sample shapes to create a design. We were able to extend the color chooser from some of Qt's standard settings. The Qt library is extensive and they hold multiple widgets that are access points to their API, so we could use a specific widget for each section of the application. And for this point, we just want to use some of the standard painting application widgets to familiarize ourselves with the calls and just mixing Qt with Visual Studios, so we could get an application up and running. The goal would be to modularize this, so we want to improve on this design for the next sprint make it a little bit better user interface, a little bit better with the touch sensors, a little bit better with just the painting application itself, so that then we could add the requested features. And just to quickly show you the code, like I said, cancel that. Like I said, we have the main window with the header and the main window C++ code. We used a shape header, and then each of the functions to create the ellipse and rectangles can be found here, and they both extend from the shape header. That has been the video for the Sprint 3. Thank you for your time.